Okay, here we are with a quick unboxing of the Boss FS7 dual foot switch, which is a pedal that you can use for switch between one channel or another. So what I'll be doing with this pedal is use it with this looper Boss RSZ5. So we're gonna check what's the size of that guy regarding this one. First thing you see in the back is that you have a power cord, a splitter power cord. So in the box we found instructions and a splitter cord for power, more than one, and the pedal itself, which is this guy here. So we can see it's pretty small, so it's similar in size to the looper. So here we can compare the size between one and the other one. And here are the connections. You have an A and a B in, and a slot for the power. And from the size, you have for change the polarity and for change the mode. It says it's made in Japan. So, and here you can see the two, and on the side it's got two lights, one green and another red, so you know which one is working. So here's another view of the pedal from this right side and from the left side and from top. And so to connect properly the two pedals, you need a stereo jack that you're going to connect in the stop memory shift of the looper, and goes to two mono jacks that will go one to the A, another one to the B of this pedal. That's how you need to connect the two units. And as I'm using the Boss loop station as a backtrack player, I connect the Boss Switch FS7 and I do the setup in the control in order the pedal can move the memories up and down, so I can choose the song I want with my feet using the pedal, and it works fine. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you soon.